Good evening, everyone. Tonight we'll be ripping into a box of 1991 Bowman, looking for the Jim Thome rookie, the Bagwell rookie, Chipper Jones, Mike Mussina, Ivan Rodriguez, etc. And as always, let's go ahead and let's take a look at the Beckett from back in the day. Okay, here we have the Beckett from October of 1991. I think this is the second month that Bowman was actually in the price guide. So as you see right here, $22 just listed. Not a whole lot of high dollar cards in here. Ivan Rodriguez rookie was $1.50. Todd Van Poppel rookie card. Ooh, there's a hot one, $1.50. Jeff Bagwell was on the way up at $1.75. And as you can see, there's really not much else. Pretty much all the cards were basically commons back then, still brand new. People still didn't know what to think of Bowman. Did we like Bowman? Did we not like Bowman? Are they going to go back to that stupid size that we had in '89? Et cetera, et cetera. And then if we skip over to modern day, looking at our Beckett from September, we shall see here 1991 Bowman, $40. Once again, for those of you out there, I do know that Beckett is not a reliable guide. You always want to consult sold listings on eBay. But for ha-has, we're going to look at this right now just to get an idea of how much has changed in the last, 30 plus years. You see Jim Thome rookie card, $8. Mussina, $5. Bagwell rookie cards, only $3. Ivan Rodriguez, $4. Then if we check up here, way at the top there, you see Chipper Jones, the most valuable card according to Beckett, at $12. And there's also the Javi Lopez rookie for $3. But once again, you can probably get these cards, or you can get these cards for much cheaper on eBay. But it's always nice to have a Beckett around in case you're not familiar with a set, just to see who's in the set, whether it's the rookie card or not, and roughly an idea of what you might find it, priced at if you went to a local card shop, for example. All right, let's get started. Rip into these packs and see what we can come up with. Oh, these are going to be fun. Oh, some nice gum. Maybe I'll consider eating that later. Maybe. Okay, moving right along here. Ryan Klesko, Gary Varsho. Here we go. Eddie Murray as a Dodger, which is always odd to see. Ryan Sandberg. And none of the top rookies there in that pack. Moving right along. Let's see what we can find in here. Besides some really tasty looking gum. Kelly Gruber. Oh, I got tricked. I thought they were all the right way. Steve Finley, Paul O'Neill, and Arsenio. Jerome Walton was a hot item back then. Bob Tewksbury. John Kruk, looking very svelte back in the day. John Kruk. Hope you guys are doing good out there today, tonight, this morning, whenever you guys are viewing it. Hope you guys find some newer cards in the stores. I know I still can't. Bobby Thigpen. Alan Trammell. And not a whole lot so far to write home about. But I'm sure we'll have some better luck here. Pat Kelly, Phil Plantier. I got signed cards of both of those guys. Back then they were hot. I mailed off cards, and both of them were nice enough to return them to me. I still actually have those autographed cards too. Tino Martinez. One of the Rod Carew insert cards. Dave Winfield, Ken Griffey Sr. Oh, got the gum. Oh, and I got psyched out there. Tony Gwynn, Spike Owen, Andy Van Slyke, and we have sideways of Teddy Higuera, and another sideways card, Eric Pappas. Alright, so far nothing worth mentioning. Try and move this right along here. Ramon Martinez, a hot one back then. Tim Salmon, I believe that's his rookie card. Another Ken Griffey Sr. Canseco. You know, of course, Canseco gets a seat in the front row because I PC him, in case you don't know. Roberto Alomar there at the end. Moving right along. Oh, look, another Canseco. We'll put him over here then. Dwight Evans. Steve Avery, Jack McDowell. Jack McDowell was a perennial all-star back in the late 80s, mid-80s. Pretty good pitcher. I was actually watching a lot of the old all-star games recently on YouTube. It's pretty interesting to go back and watch the introductions, seeing the amount of Hall of Famers they had on each team. It's crazy. Ricky Henderson, stolen base king card or something of that nature, I believe. Steve Buechele and another Dave Winfield. Alright, I do like Canseco, but I would like more out of this box than a couple of Canseco cards. Fred McGriff. A lot of people feel he should be in the Hall of Fame. I'd put him over Harold Baines, that's for sure. Another Rod Carew. Yes, if you haven't figured it out yet by watching some of my videos, I PC Canseco. I think Harold Baines should not be in the Hall of Fame. And I also think Dale Murphy should be in the Hall of Fame. Tino Martinez again. Dwight Evans, Yvonne Cruz, another Ricky Henderson. Barry Larkin, Vince Coleman, Will Clark. Good pack of stars, but not seeing those rookie cards that I'm looking for. Let's see if we can break that here. Joe Carter. Okay, checklist. Always good to get a checklist. Another Rod Carew. There's Dale Murphy there. Should be in the Hall of Fame. Somebody stuck to the back of him? Nope. Steve Avery, Jack McDowell, Lloyd Mosby. Alright, so far we've gotten squat. Other than my boy Canseco there. But, like I said, that's not going to be enough. Oh, I see a good sign there. I believe that's a Bagwell rookie. John Olerud, Chris Sabo, rocking the goggles, Mark Leiter, Stan Javier, and a Jeff Bagwell rookie card. It's always a good one there. Let's see, Greg Olson, Harold Reynolds, Tony Gwynn. Alright, so we got one of the rookies, so I can stop worrying that these packs could have been searched, but it's just not likely. The guy I bought them from, I highly doubt he would search them. Oh, another Canseco. There we go. Doc Gooden, Berenguer. Jack Clark, John Smoltz, Mike Mussina rookie card. There we go. All right, I'll put these two Canseco's in the back row. Okay, now we're heading in the right direction here. Got a Bagwell, a Mussina. Now let's get a Chipper Jones. I'm sorry, a Bagwell and Mussina. Now I just need a Chipper Jones. Another Rod Carew insert. Okay. You know, the gum doesn't look too bad in those. Rock Reigns. Never really liked that nickname. Always thought it was silly, but to each his own. William Pennyfeather. Mo Martinez. Jose Offerman. Boy, he looks confused in that one. Ricky Jordan, hot card then. Will Clark. Never did like Will Clark. Okay. Nothing so far. Matt Williams. Roger Clemens. Cecil Fielder. Harold Baines. Yes, Harold Baines. The man that should not be in the Hall of Fame. Okay, let's pull Chipper Jones here soon. Would be nice. Dave Rigetti. Henry Rodriguez. Todd Van Poppel. Probably would have been jumping up and down back in the day to get his card. But nowadays, you throw it in the fireplace. Hopefully he spent, his money wisely back then. Signing bonuses he got and all the hype. Another Matt Williams. This guy's looking a little pasty. He should get in the sun more. Reed Cornelius. Pat Kelly. Phil Plantier. Same collation as before. Greg Jeffries. Another hot prospect that never panned out. Him and Van Poppel should be best buds. Bernie Williams. I believe that's his rookie card, if I'm not mistaken. Could be wrong, though. I mean, Jeffries did have a little better of a career overall than Van Poppel, but when you compare the hype that he came into the league with, he's, severely underwhelmed. But, they all can't pan out, I guess. Tim Salmon. Javi Lopez rookie card. It's not a bad one. Javi Lopez was always a good player. Barry Bonds. So far, I'm getting most of the rookies. Still looking for a Pudge Rodriguez rookie card, as well as the Chipper Jones. It'd be nice if I got 4 or 5 Chipper Jones. Yeah, I know. It's not going to happen, but, at least one. Neon Deion Sanders. Always like Deion. Ben McDonald. What do we have here? Scott Erickson was a hot one then. Not now. Uh-oh. Let's see here. Who got dropped? Jim Eisenreich, Scott Fletcher, and B.J. Surhoff. No damage done. Apologize for delay in posting videos. Lost power yesterday due to the tornadoes that touched down here in Connecticut, so a little unexpected. Had planning on doing this one yesterday. Ellis Burks, Sandy Alomar, Galarraga, Marquise Grissom. Oh, almost lost the pack. Todd Veal, Barry Larkin, Pip Roberts, Pete Harnish, Bob Malacky. Orioles had a lot of top pitching prospects back then. I probably wish they had them here recently because, yeah, their team is just straight garbage. At least it has been for the most part. Well, they were set up pretty well back in the early 90s. They just didn't capitalize on it. Jeff Brantley, you got Junior Ortiz, Eric Bullock, Ricky Henderson. Oh, here we go with the back and forth. Kevin Tappan, Gerald Clark, Bernie Williams again, Scott Lewis, Kevin McReynolds. Still waiting to see the bat. I'm sorry, not the Bagwell. The Chipper Jones. I don't know why I keep getting them confused. Chipper Jones, Pudge Rodriguez looking for Juan Gonzalez there. The second year. It's good we haven't seen that one yet, at least. So maybe it's a sign of, here we go, new cards here. Maybe a sign of Chipper Jones coming. I don't know the preceding card, Nolan Ryan there at the end. Or the indicator card, whatever they call it in this business. Yeah, pack full of nothing there. Alright, getting close, starting to get towards the bottom of the box here. If you guys want to leave some comments down there, let me know what you want to see next. I got so many choices. I keep going nuts buying stuff on eBay too. Getting bored, I guess. Plenty of boxes to choose from. Nothing there. Maybe we should go into maybe thinking maybe 89 Donruss next, or maybe go into one of the 88s, or maybe we do like a 92 Donruss and search for an elite. Maybe go back to 88 score and try to find that elusive Greg Jeffries rookie card. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Palmeiro, Devon White, Ricky Bones. At least these are some cards we haven't seen before, so like I said, maybe that's a good sign that we'll find one of these cards we're looking for. Oh yeah, there it is right there, the checklist. Just what I was looking for. Checklist number 4 too, the elusive one. Oh. Ryan Sandberg, Randy Johnson, haven't seen that one yet, I don't believe. Unless I'm just not paying attention, which is also a possibility. Hopefully everyone else is out there. If you see something I missed, by all means, call me out in the comments. Getting old, so. Javier Ortiz. Jack Morris, Jeff Robinson, another Rod Carew, Jesse Barfield, Alan Trammell, Eddie Murray there. Just looks odd as a Dodger. I don't think that guy ever smiled once either, like ever. Probably not even to this day. Just goes around with that resting Eddie Murray face. Another checklist number 4. Another Eddie Murray too. All right, moving right along. Is that who I'm looking at? I'm stopped for a second. It could have been a Pudge one, but nope. Rick Cerrone. He was still playing then? Must have been about 60. Charles Nagy. All right, getting down to what? Last 5 packs, I think it is. Still no Chipper Jones. No Pudge. Like I said, I'm not looking for 6 of each one, but one would be nice. There we go. There's a Von Rodriguez there. That's a good one there. And another good one. My boy Canseco. I'll put him over there. Joe Girardi. Looking a little young there. Roberto Alomar, DJ Dozier. Alright, down to our last 4 packs. And the only thing we don't have so far is the best card in the set. Go figure. Isn't that how it always works? Another Rod Carew. Looks like some new cards though. Greg Swindell. Shout out to John Jabs, your buddy Swindell. Hopefully the mountain of wrappers doesn't fall into the camera here soon. John Olerud, Chris Sabo, Matt Mieski, MVP. He looks a little rough there, doesn't he? Randy Johnson. All right. We got 2 packs left and no Chipper Jones. This box has been searched. Let's hope our luck changes here. Andre Dawson. Here we go, some different cards. But not the different card that I'm looking for. Bobby Bonilla, Andy Bennis, and John Cerruti. All right, we got 1 pack left. Go figure, I don't find the stinking Chipper Jones. That would be luck, as they say. But we'll hold out hope for some last pack magic. And nothing. So we got most of them, except for the top one. So I guess the top one, well, one of the top ones, Bagwell, may not be worth the most, but definitely one of the better ones in the set. But like I said, we didn't get a Chipper Jones. We'll try again next time. I have to grab another box of these if I can get them cheap enough. If not, then I guess I'll overpay. But I appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, if you have any comments or suggestions on which box to rip next, let me know. And I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great one.